Hey guys, welcome back to another weather video. And today we are going to be talking about Delta mainly and a few about the models. And they are predicting some stuff, but we have the latest loop here. And as we can see, there's some bands coming off. There's some flooding coming down here. Show you that on radar. This has been causing flooding. It hasn't really been moving, but here is the center of circulation exposed because dry air, of course, and it can't blow up convection anymore. So it blew up some convection earlier, but now it's stopping. This is really becoming a tornado threat because all these vans, they're gonna come in and they're causing a tornado threat. I think tornado watches down here. And this is the storm. I am located right about there. So we were getting some rain, earlier. Nah, more like right here. But you see here, of course, it's the shear is helping it get outflow. If that's weird enough. But it's of course dying off. 45-mile-an-hour storm, but unusually low pressure, which we haven't seen with this storm much. Usually had high winds for the pressure, but I guess it paid off, But there's about, I think they said 60 to 70 knots of shear up here. That's why these cirrus clouds are moving so fast. And that is that. Like I said, some moisture today. I didn't say it was going to be down here. I said it was going to be up here, but I was wrong. The moisture is it's still trying to pull in moisture down there. But that's what we have. And that is the latest satellite imagery. Now if we go to the radar, I already had this all set up for us. But if I pause it right there. How do I pause? Oh, yeah. Did I pause that at the end? No way. And this is filming. This film, or this video, is recorded at about 9 a.m. And as I was talking about, these vans are trailing in. Here's that little thing that hasn't moved that much. If we play the radar loop, no, it hasn't really moved that much. Still getting rain from 7 a.m. this morning. But those are the trailing bands coming in. This is the tornado threat. This whole line here, and it just updated. It's trying to circle around, but it's open low. There's the center about, pretty big center, but it's still low pressure. So it's almost like, say, if a winter storm came down here. Just that's a little low, but say if a winter storm came down here, this is what it would look like. And winter storms have low pressure, 45-mile-an-hour winds, of course. And go to National Hurricane Center. I'll probably put the link in the description. And just check this out. This is the best information you could possibly get. Sorry, I need some water. And this is the best information you could possibly get, and as we can see, oh my god, and as we can see, that's that really not? Well, oh my god, why am I doing this? It's gonna be a nice video, ain't it? But as we can see, still tropical storm force possibilities extend, pretty far out here. See, possibility of tropical storm force winds. Well, tropical storm force gusts would be possible, but oh no! I know why that's there. So when this center, oh dude, that's not a good color. I think I know what I have to use. And boom. Look at that. So right here's the center. And if when it moves this way, that's its expected path. That's why it's a little bit further south, because these tornado bands or trailing bands, what's wrong with me, can cause some winds up to tropical storm force. So yeah. But this tropical storm force wind field has extended this far inland, which is a good bit. Not as much. Well, that's probably Laura's, but this came in as a weaker storm. Whatnot. Laura's was like this. No, stop. It's like that. But and then it kind of, went off. But if we look at it this way, let's see if it. Okay. So if we look at it this way, this is probably very low possibilities of tropical storm force winds. So you're probably not going to get tropical storm force winds, but possibilities are endless. Not in this case, because they're finally going to end once it moves out of here. It's going to get it's going to get sheared. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at some models. And as we can see, there's Delta. It's going to be moving out here. GFS has a little south, North Carolina and Virginia border. But let's move it out a few. So it takes it way south. Oh, I actually got that pretty good. Massive storm up here. That's only its tail. It just shoves cold air down here. I think that was the 540 line earlier this morning. Like that. And let's move it out. Oh yeah, it comes down even lower than my line. Oh wow. Oh wow. Well, my location's probably gonna get a frost. Don't mind me. I kind of like. And then a clipper system moves down here. A clipper system. Oh, sorry. Sorry. A clipper system moves down here. Then probably comes up like that. That's what clipper systems do. Or it just makes a huge cold front. Let's see what that does. And it turns into a storm just like I expected. Okay. This is snow. It's a 108, so it isn't that strong, but it looks pretty organized. Move it out. Let's go to a better region. Let's go to North Hemisphere. Oh, I forgot. It doesn't have precipitation. Forgot. So it would be North America, right? No. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so here's what we have to do. You have to reload this page. I know how to get this to say snow up here. Reload it, and then go back to here. Reload. Forecast models. And then you go directly to North America. Boom. Now it has snow. And that's a good way to do it, just to let you know. But that's a good way to get snow on the map. But so we move it out to where that storm comes in. Oh yeah, and there's that massive storm. Keeps on bringing that cold air from the Arctic, shoving it down to the United States. But if we put that out, so this, so the actual low pressure, so its tail comes off and it's weak, but all this cold air from the Arctic comes down here, and it really comes down like freezing for my area, and I'm pretty far south. So yeah, but let's move it out a little bit more, and let's see where that cold front happens. Yeah, that. Oh, it has a different opinion. Oh, there it is. So it has that. 991, 982. Ooh, 974. Yeah. Look at that organization. It's really starting to curl up. And then this is the rain. Yeah, that looks pretty organized. That looks like a snowstorm that really starting to tighten up here. Those isobars. But, yeah. Isobars are really starting to tighten up. Oh my. Oh, I forgot about that clipper system that comes down. Reload. Thank you. And then something down here that comes in like this. I don't know what it's doing. But move it out some more clipper systems, it's a pretty strong one. And during the winter, these will dip down farther and farther. And these may become nor'easters for the northeast if they dip down far enough and they come up. It depends on how strong they are. Like this one's pretty strong and it's still strengthening. But you see these Alaska storms? These big storms, huge storms here. 980. I think during September we saw one that was 970 that actually came in here, but it was only rain. So that was good for the wildfires, But enough about that. But before we go, check out my YouTube channel. Link in the description. Also, check out my YouTube channel I'm filming on right now. It's my second channel, Rotato Plays. I already have one video, 8 views, so that tells me you guys are checking it out. Check out my Discord, check out my channel, check out my second channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.